Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now let's take a look at the gold market. Well guys, as you can see, technically gold doesn't look attractive from the bullish point of view, and I even would say vice versa, so that's attractive from the bearish point of view. And that just confirms our opinion that we have warned you that any rally that hasn't been confirmed and hasn't been supported by real purchases from the investors sooner or later will be doomed. And if it will be doomed, this plunge down will be miserable. As you can see, this drop yesterday was really significant, and market has formed something that looks like the evening star pattern. So thrust up, minor candle here, thrust down. That makes unattractive to take in any long position right here. We would say even more that the only issue that could trigger upward action could be just probably unpredictable, unexpected, drastic event. Maybe some Greece solution, maybe some other breaking news, but this will be something outstanding, because as technically as fundamentally gold looks unattractive right now for taking any long position, especially on the background of the recent jump up on the United States real estate market, home sales. It was a period at the 5 years high, 5 years top, and that has pushed on the prices on the dollar-related assets, and the gold is no exception. So you can see this was really significant drop. So it means that if you would like to take the bet on the long position, that will be more in gambling and the pain or gain situation. So you will be in this situation, you would take the position on some unexpected drastic event on the hope that this should happen. That's the only way how you could make the money on this possible upward action. But from the point of view of the factors that we do know right now, we do not see any signs that could any events that could trigger the upward action. Only, for example, Greece will announce the default on the debt. Maybe in this case this will happen. On the forward time frame chart, still guys, as I said, on the forward time frame chart, market takes the shape of the hand shoulders, and this pattern hasn't failed yet. The only thing, from the technical point of view, I also see the signs that's not very good for this pattern, particularly speaking, this too fast action on the right shoulder. The specific of the hand shoulders is so that you could agree with the fast drop on the left shoulder, because here the bears are still controlling the market. But there, the drop should not be too strong. And if you see the fast drop on the right shoulder, when the control is moving and shifting from the bears to the bulls, that's the bad sign. And you can see that market has appeared around 1180 area that we have specified and expected to see. It's too fast. In fact, this has happened just for the single trading session. Just yesterday on Monday, market has dropped for the $20 per contract. That's very fast drop. And right now market stands in an area where we'll be watching for a long bullish reversal patterns. If market will fail here, as we said, that will open the door to the 1130 motion. The failure of the hand shoulders means the failure of the head, means the further downward action, and we can't exclude that market will move directly to the 1130 area. But meantime, market stands in the area where we have discussed and come to conclusion that we will be watching for the possible bullish patterns here. Right now, guys, we do not see any signs of these patterns. So you could see just that extension of this upward retracement stands right here around weekly pivot support one, and there are two patterns that market could form here right now. So first of all, this could be some kind of the butterfly maybe. Second, market could form here the double repo buy pattern. That's also is possible. So keep watching. Personally, guys, I am not sure that I will take the long position here, taking in consideration this fast drop, because I am not a gambler. If I see the bearish signs and the bearish background on the market, just the theoretical possible shape of the hand shoulder is not sufficient context for me to take in the long position. And I would not take the bet on some unexpected and some drastic event that maybe will happen. If it will happen, it will probably better to take the position after this will happen on some retracement, if you would like to take the long position. That's why that's just will be your solution and your decision where you would like to take this position or not. So that's all on gold market today. Meantime, guys, in general, the market is falling for our analysis. So as we have discussed, this motion that we anticipated, some action that we would like to see, and that should happen here, and has happened. So market has shown this retracement that we have expected. Now it's the key level that we have discussed to watch for this potential bullish action, bullish patterns. Now the major question is whether hand shoulders will hold or not. If it will hold, then the action to the 1220 area is possible. 1220 is also the target of this big ABCD pattern on daily. That's what we have discussed. If it will fail here, then probably the action will continue to 1130 area.